because of the shabu. Then I need a medical clarification of TSWD to give it low ladderite to get a bit medical signature. So I must wait for that paper. By your government very slow.
Do you have passport?
My passport is okay.
It's okay.
And I have no problem with immigration. Yes, I'm overstay.
Yeah.
But if I fix the papers, I need only to show with the NBI clearance that I have no criminal record. Then he can let me go home.
Yeah.
Without pay. But if I want to come back to Philippines, I must pay.
Ano
And
daw
if I
yan?
pay, you stay at
Parang,
least 3 years.
parang may agreement sila sa immigration.
May agreement ito?
Parang sabi niya na
Every corner.
babayaran niya daw pag nakabalik siya rito.
If I want to come back here one time, I must pay.
Yung kung totoo. Yan ang sabi niya. Binatbot na.
As long you not have criminal record.
No criminal records yan.
I'm not badlong.
Badlungon.
Hindi badlungon.
Hindi badlungon.
But if you know criminal record, you go right away to jail.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah, good copy.
Good copy?
Copy hari.
They say, Kalingap Kape. Ang kaping may puso.
You want to promote this coffee?
Promote that
How
one.
much one pack? Pila?
230.
230. Okay. How many of the sachets?
10.
Sachet. 21 grams.
Let me have copy.
Lami.
May mga damit ito, may mga damit to, sinina. You have plenty of dress.
Yes, I have now already.
Clothes.
This is I wear because coats in the car.
May mga damit to. Marami?
Meron. Binilang ko ng damit yan. Kung na daw kayo sa nina, damit.
Yeah.
Naghan.
Yeah, he gave me already. He bring me already in SM.
Ah.
Yeah. Right.
You want to stay here?
Di nag-eskwela to, your son not go to the school.
No, that's what I also want to fix in the next 2 years.
Fix pa
But
daw.
that's why we are to go to Manila. With praying and fighting hard with the.
Yes, that's my problem. Because I need to look for a transient.
Saan nag-stay yung isang mong kapatid? Babae.
Kuhan, ganun. Ano?
Saan nag-stay yung stay?
Asan siya nag-stay?
Oh.
Sa Cebu.
Ang kinsa ito? Kanino?
Ha?
Kanino?
Sa jowa yung babae rin.
Ha?
Sa
Tomboy,
jowa niya na
tomboy.
babae.
Jowa? 14 pala siya?
15? 14. May ano na kaya? May kinakasama.
At hindi mo yan, no? Ni-rescue.
Di ko nga maano, di ko mahagilap.
Di mahanap?
Tapos,
Alam ko asan yung lugar pero di ko alam ang pangalan.
Bira.
yung gusto ko ma-rescue. Kasi parang nagagamit din daw yun sa ano. May nantala ba?
Mahirap pala ang buhay niyo.
Ay,
Masalimuot ang buhay niyo pala. Yung nanay mo, nabuang na, naluki. Sa drugs.
Na squad.
Shabu.
you don't take shabu?
I don't need them. I'm typical European. Beer is okay.
Ha?
Beer is okay daw.
I'm typical European. I like to drink beer.
Bagay na, lagi sila mga ano. Bilid na sila.
Oh, beer lang ilang ganahan.
Apple.
Meron.
Guy.
Oh, you want?
Ay, nagkape mo.
Ay, nagkape man mamaya na.
Na! Mag-mix magana na na yung...
Yeah, a beer is always okay.
Tingin mo balibad ba?
Apple, ano yun? Sanmig apple.
Sanmig apple.
Iwan?
Later after this coffee.
Ah.
Ako gising.
Isa ka butila sa
Laki yung
buntag.
ngiti niya.
Isa ka butila sa gabi eh.
Ay, grabe no.
Saan mo nakagirap to?
Doon sa konsolasyon, sa may simbahan.
Doon lang? Anong ginagawa niya?
Nagpaparking-parking.
Tapos
Parking
kini,
boy.
saan ang hinigitan?
Ito naman gala.
Gala.
Namayot.
Mayot ka?
Ano ba yun?
Pinatira lang ako ng bakla.
Kaibigan mo.
Ako, parking boy Cebu.
Parking boy.
Good job.
How much daily you earn?
If it is uwang, gamay. But standard 300-400.
Oh,
But
okay.
in the weekend, sometimes Friday, Saturday, 500-600.
Yeah.
Ever sometimes 700.
Pag weekend, malaki ang ano, kita.
Sayang nakawin ni
Christmas time,
Scarlett.
many pilas ko.
Ano daw?
Christmas daw, madaming pinaskuhan.
Walang naipon. Savings, no.
No, I have not much savings. That is not easy in the last few years.
Hmm.
Everything in mahal. Cigarette can get mahal. Yeah, when I come to Philippines,
Sabot ka?
I buy one pack fortune, 9 peso 50.
Sigarilyo.
Now it's one stick only already 10 peso.
Mm.
Before I buy one pack for that, so everything get mahal. So you do not have much savings anymore. Before it was more cheaper here.
Mm.
But I can live with this.
Hmm. Gamay na. Sa kalibo lang. Ini mudah ka na.
Mamaya.
Ba't alam mo ang K-Boys? Alam mo ang K-Boys?
Load mo na siya.
Kahapon, sinabihan ako ni yung Kuya Kyle the Great and
Isa?
yung isa,
Joey, sinabi siya ni Joey.
Si K-Boys?
yung isa rin malaki.
So, nakita ko.
Hindi ka nag-eskwela to, sayang ang buhay. Ano mo?
Nga, sayang.
Nag-eskwela
Kung ako
ka.
yan, gandang lalaki, ay sus.
Daghang nakikipagnabilaran.
Ha?
Marami na siyang nabilaran pag siya ay ako.
Daling ka namin sa DSWD, Manila.
Iyo
Hmm.
I will bring you
Ayaw,
to DSWD.
Ayaw, oy. Nahadlock man kay. Hindi magpadala.
Doon lang yan, DSWD, Manila.
Kisa to, Ken? Kisa to?
Ako ba ng driver?
Mm.
That's what I try with Rafi Turbo. If he can fix the paper for me, then it's very easy. The Lola can put signature. And we are in 3 months in my country.
Balik ka ng, ano yung Dutch bansa yan? Dutch talaga.
Netherlands. Netherlands siya.
Netherlands.
Europe.
Yeah.
Netherlands.
Capital city Amsterdam. Oh, but you talk about taboo. In my country, legal marijuana.
Hmm.
Oh?
Legal.
Legal pala yun?
You can go to a coffee shop. It's like a bar. It's really a bar. But you cannot buy alcohol. You can only drink coffee, tea, soft drinks. But you can smoke the marijuana. You buy the marijuana.
Legal doon. Limang basan
But
din.
if you go to a
Pero
bar,
sa ano lang, sa loob
you
lang.
cannot buy the marijuana.
Here,
You cannot drink alcohol.
here, marijuana is noble.
Even
Oh, if you put...
Evil.
lifetime. Lifetime.
Yeah.
No, but it's in my country.
Lifetime in prison.
Lifetime.
Pero sa kanila, yun sa loob lang siguro. Pero hindi na pwede
But
lumabas.
you can't use outside. Only in...
If you do it in a park or on the beach.
Oh, pwede pala. Open pala doon.
But if there is none,
I will go with you to Netherlands.
if there is a if you come in a place with non-smoking, then you cannot even smoke.
Ah.
Only a places where there is allowed to smoke.
Wanto po kag Netherlands.
I stay already 6 months Mindanao, 6 months lately. But continue Cebu.
Ano trabaho nito? What is your job before?
Part of IT, I'm e-commerce and website developer.
IT.
You know e-commerce?
Commerce?
Yeah, marketing and internet.
Yeah.
And I create websites.
Ah,
You can create.
Can you be a hacker?
No,
Hindi pala ito
I
sa
can protect it against hackers. I can protect it against hackers. I don't make only home sites, private sites of the food.
I will make you my personal IT in my channel.
Wait, I don't make only home sites, but you arrive with HTML. I do with PHP. You cannot hack. That's
Marunong
all
daw siya gumawa nito
professional,
mga cellphone.
company site.
Yan?
You can
Ito yung palaboy na ito.
cellphone, pwede.
Cell phone cannot make games. I cannot make my own software on cell phone. No, and for games, for a website. Internet, they did coding. You understand? Flash.
Bisaya.
Blah, blah.
Nanosblade me.
I work with Flash, Java, HTML, PHP. It's all for internet.
How long you've studied that course? 4 years or ano?
No, I'm not. If you do IT, then take many years.
Okay.
But I do only that 2 courses.
2 courses. Okay.
And I did 1 course hardware that they can build my own computer.
Tesla only, Tesla.
Test that. But I give also the course that you can build your own computer.
Yeah.
Assemble self everything.
You can assemble and make
Yeah.
Yung ka mga website mo siya.
website na.
Talent eh.
Ikaw, anong talent mo, Tay? Ano may talent mo? Wala. Kaon ra?
Ikaw, gusto kayo.
Kaon ra talent.
Punta mo gitulyukan, di ba?
Are you stay outside? Right.
You want beer?
Yeah, and I'm cigarette for you. Smoking.
Not allowed.
Not allowed here.
Pets not allowed.
Pets not, no pets allowed.
Sus, grabe yan.
One balay. I mean, 1 balay.
Balay.
Ilan ka kwarto?
Yan, there.
How many kwarto?
Gila.
Many.
Ini.
3 there.
We stay
2
here
there.
before all
Yeah.
vloggers around 18 packs.
18 vloggers.
20 vloggers. Free food.
Free accommodation.
Free accommodation.
You want to
Be a
become
vlogger
vlogger?
na.
Na. Ay, bak na.
Ihubak na.
Nana si tambala ka ng sana. Pag di na siya kaginhawa. Ano yan? Salbutamol. Gamot sa hika niya.
Later. Hi.
You don't be strong because you don't have Saint Peter.
No, I don't eat some people. Some powers.
Ukal sa. Ukal.
Dayon.
Ni dayon to. Wala gyud. Ukab gyud.
Daddy, if it was so strong the deer, what will it be? You know what's that?
What it means? How you call this place here?
Diet.
Diet?
Yes.
Is it still goes on?
Yes, Sir Luzon. Bicol region.
Okay.
Region 5.
Region 5. Bicol. Bicol?
Iba yung Biko.
Bicol.
Bicol.
Oh,
C.
But I mean, you can buy Bicol Express.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Bicol.
Bicol Express is originated here.
Okay.
Yes.
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 Halang.
Yes. I ate it many times.
There's so many viewers now.
Oh, 1,100 viewers. Say hi to the viewers.
May gabi.
Ha?
Ang lahat dyan.
Kumustamos?
Coffee time.
Coffee time. What is your plan? You go to Manila?
Yeah, I want to go to Manila. I want to try with Rapido. My plan is
Mas
truly to
manipis
bring
na
my
siya
kids in
dyan.
my country. Because then all my kids are
Where's
complete.
the one?
Manic one.
The daughter in Cebu.
Oh, you know?
I know the
Where
place.
where is she?
Yeah, I know where she is, and I have everyday contact with her. She was also planning to go with her, but we had not much time. But she is waiting there that we come back in Cebu. And she know that I do that for her.
Yan, balik sa buto. Balik pa sa Cebu, babalik pa. Ihatid mo?
You can go without me in Cebu. Back to Cebu.
You put us in
I
the
will,
plane.
I will send you to Matnog, the first barko. Direct to Cebu.
The app we come from Rafi.
I will give you money.
Yeah, we go first to Rafi.
Yes, after Rafi.
Yeah, and then we can take the barco. It's 2 days. Almost 2 days with the barco.
No.
Last go
Eight-
naman nga
8
nagsibo.
hours only. From Matnog to Pier 4.
No,
Wala silang
8
bayad sa
hours
Cebu.
only.
no, it's 1.5 day.
8 hours.
Manila
I,
to Cebu.
no.
Hindi.
I already
Dito lang.
traveled.
It's a pass boat, man.
8 hours lang.
Not Manila, but in Matnog.
Well, Matnog.
The last barko. Matnog.
In summer.
We enter in Luzon. That
Yeah.
was Matnog.
Okay.
City na ang atong nila.
Mas malapit pag nagdabaw, dadaan ng Cebu. Mas mahirap, mas manong ka na pamasahe, mas mahal.
Mas mahal.
13,000 sasakyan.
Hmm.
Tapos padabo 13,000. 26. Oh, you want by land? You ride bus?
Now I want to teach some swimming.
Swimming.
We go backline, then swimming.
Baklay. Baklay na daw sila din siya mag-bus.
Then we practice for Ironman. You know Ironman?
Ironman.
Yeah, they say once a year, Ironman. Running, swimming, bicycle.
Yes.
It's very healthy. Ironman. And coming Friday, main event of the evening, Kendrick and me.
Yeah.
One champion. You know one champion?
What is that?
It's like UFC.
Like UFC.
Yeah, but then one champion more for ADR. Like kickboxing, wrestling,
You
heavyweight, flyweight.
Yeah.
Rayuma, imo Rayuma. Oh,
Rayuma.
Coming Friday
nah, ito.
in Bangkok. Bangkok, Thailand.
Daddy, you know why your name is Flyweight? Because if she kick you one time, man, you fly, man.
No, because I'm faster.
Bugiro ka.
It's true. Most of the time, the light person is more faster than the happiest person. But the happiest person is most of the time stronger. That's the opposite.
For sure.
Hindi ko eh.
Sure, yeah.
Umok na nga.
May kontak ko sa kay Rapi, may punta na kayo.
Wala.
Paano makakapasok ko sa Rapi? No more ano.
Magpasama nga sana kay Boy
No
Sardinas.
connection.
Kasi si Boy Sardinas, pinala ng mga staff ni Rafi.
Ngayon, ano
Yung
sabi?
busy may Sardinas, nasa bukid daw siya. Pero, pipila ako dun maaga. 5 a.m. Pila. Pila ba?
Saan yung lugar na yun? Rapi, anong
Sa ano? Sa TV5? Sa ano?
doon?
Sa likod ng ano, halos likod lang ng ano, Buni na
Doon lang sa Buni.
Where is the studio? Where is the office of Rafi?
Mandaluyong.
Where is it?
Mandaluyong.
Anong pakay? Ano, tulungan makabalik?
That's in Manila City?
Yes. No. Pasig. Mandaluyong City.
Oh, okay, that's
Oh.
another city.
In Manila. If Rapi Tulfo will deny, you will baklay go back Cebu.
Yeah.
Baklay ang swimming.
We go swimming.
Ano ko parang lalo ngayon busy busy ang sila ngayon.
Bisa yun, election pati.
Yeah.
Wala, sige. Ano mo tatungos kape?
Nice coffee.
Nice coffee.
Yeah.
Doon pa kayo nakatira, Ken? Sana.
Guys, like that, nice.
Wala
Sarap.
nakatira dyan.
Andyan sana.
Alam mo nakatira dyan yung rep lang. Motor ko nandyan.
Kasi na
Daling ko sa Davao motor.
basi na yung mumu diha.
Sabi kay Tata, Huwag ka nang bumalik dito.
Ah,
Doon na tayo. Ay mo kung nakabalik na. Dito
hindi ko
na.
alam.
Hindi nagsasabi Tata na.
Magbiya na kayo? Ayun?
Hindi. Bukas umaga kayo.
Ako sumaga na.
Pagod.
Bis,
Tulog mo na.
Kita ko pa lang to summer eh. Ngayon, nandito na sa Dait.
Ano gulay sa kulit ng gabi eh. Sama.
Red horse.
Yeah, lamig.
Na? Lami daw. Unsay pulutan?
True, Filipino beer lamig. But it's not number one. Yeah, you don't even have the nicest beer. Beck's is a good beer. Heineken, but not my favorite. Amstel beer.
Yung ano, hindi Red Horse, yung ano ba, yung San Miguel ba yun? Yan yung ano, yung luma na beer.
There are many kinds of beer.
Yes.
It can be all lamig.
Ha?
But I don't like Coke 45.
45?
Oh, nawala naman ngayon yan.
Lamig.
Wala na, expired na yun.
Nawala naman yung Colt
Beer na beer
45.
also not good.
Oh,
Yeah. Oh.
alis na tayo. Uli na ta.
Yeah. Beer.
No, no more beer. Sabi mo, no, coffee din yun si. Oh, it's already closed.
It's already closed.
That's why if the opportunity will strike, grab it.
Oh.
You don't go. Over.
Okay, let's go.
Nice meeting you, sir.
Nice to meet you too.
I'm Joseph.
I'm Eddie.
Ingat, ingat. Amping ha, amping.
Salamat for the coffee.
Yes. Sige, sige. Amping, amping mo.
Yo, bye-bye to Kuya.
Yeah, actually, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye ka.
Bye-bye.
Bukas eh. Uy.
Kaya nga, kay kakay na. Lah, hindi ka kilala yan.
Magputo na.
Psst, Viper.
Your,
Nag-ano yan, nanibago yan sa'yo.
I've been here. I stay here for almost 1 year.
Nice apartment.
1 year. I stay here. That is my room. That one. This is my room.
Yes.
No.
Only one room.
Mini room.
Mini. Double deck each room.
Double dick like your.
I mean, that room. One room only?
Double dick like your dick.
Ako utin.
Ah,
Ako na.
tulog na yan. Ha?
Oh.
Wait lang.
Baby, uma.
Ha?
Sige, ingat kayo.
Ano ikaw may naglaba?
Nang laba. Nang laba.
Ano ikaw may naglaba?
Ano maglabat na kami katulong? Bako katulong.
Salamat for the coffee.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, see you next time. See you soon. Bye.
Dalan tayo ha? Ingat. Okay, boys.
Bye-bye.
Okay, boys.
Okay, boys.
Yeah.
Okay.